Hi guys, so if you're here, that means you have registered your domain previously and used it as a website. So this is just part of a series I'm doing to set up your website. So I have set up my website here, as you can see, bchewy.ml, and we're going to install an SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is simply just to secure a website, so any traffic passing through from your machine to your website is actually secured. So yeah, so we're going to do this with Let's Encrypt. It's totally free, automated, so it will take honestly just about a minute. So we'll try to do it under a minute. And okay, so get started and then go to the certbot website. So the certbot, and essentially what you want to do is connect to your instance here or your server. So through SSH, I'm going to do that right now. So connect, and then open up terminal. So I'm going to pass over 1 minute now. So yeah, once connected, so go on the certbot, and then you can see you have to select. So in our case, we're using Apache and we're using Ubuntu 18.04, so do that and then just follow the steps here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You need to install all this. So I'm just going to copy paste this in, install the repositories and stuff, and yeah, need to say yes. So do that, and I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay guys, so I've just completed the last command. So that installs the certbot for Python under Apache. So what you're going to do is actually run this command. So this command will essentially just generate a certificate for your website. So you're gonna run that. You're gonna type your email. So I'm just gonna use my email, and you're gonna agree with terms of services. So if you want to, you go take a read, but it's right here, the link, and yeah, just do that. And you want to type the domain. So my domain is bchewy.ml. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to obtain a new certificate. And it's going to automatically rewrite your Apache configuration files, and it's going to do every command. And essentially, once this entire section is done, right, all you need to do is configure it properly. So you want to redirect. So you're going to select number 2 because you want every HTTP traffic to go back to your website. And right now, all you have to do is actually just visit your website again, and you should see that there will be an SSL cert there. So yeah, that's how you install an SSL certificate in less than a minute. So thanks guys.